Guys, with Father's Day just around the corner, and on behalf of the Toolbox Buzz crew, I want to share with you some thoughts on what it means to me on being a dad. It's transitioning from someone who was selfish to someone that is selfless. It's knowing that your kids are watching everything you say and do. And it means making mistakes along the way and thinking you've ruined your kids' lives in the process, only really to discover that they're way more resilient than you think. It requires you to remember that once upon a time, you did the same selfish, stupid things that kids are doing today, and yet we survived. It requires you to be as skilled with a spatula as you are with a hammer today. And most importantly, it is at the same time the scariest endeavor and the greatest achievement of my life by far. To all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day, and thank you for your support.